this particular video is for you guys. You have been requesting for a clarification of difference between Asilo Retirata and that of going to make Cassazione. And then I came here now to kind of like give you guys a clarification with details what you have to understand. Now, if you land in Italy in the first place, then you seek for asylum, then you have the right to go for a commission. Then when you go for this commission, it happens to be that the commissioner refused to give that person a kind of like a document. Then giving out negative, you have to take a lawyer or pick up a lawyer and then go against this decision, thereby making a recurso, which is called a recurso, which you made in tribunal. Now, if you make this recurso in tribunal, it happens to be that, you know, they kind of like still deny the person again for the second time. There is still another possibility to go to the same tribunal to make another recurso. Then if it happens to be again, they deny this person again for the third time, that is where it will now result that the judge will now refer you to what is known as Cassazione. That Cassazione means Supreme Court of Italy. You understand? That is Supreme Court, which is located at Roma. Now, to make this Cassazione, you have two choices in this point. I explained these things many times, but people still keep asking this question. Then I have to bring out this update again in a clarified manner where people have to understand what Asilo Retirata is all about. Now, when you have this Cassazione, it is your choice as the owner of the case what you have to do. In this point, you can reject the Cassazione and then go and make Asilo Retirata. In order for you to make Asilo Retirata to restart the case again, you need a good evidence. You need new evidence which state that these are things you have participated, and then evidence that, you know, you are not going there to show the same proof or the same thing you stated there. Though it's going to be the same story, but you have to bring more evidence. Then when you make this Asilo Retirata, they will give you out the permesso di soggiorno of richiesta di asilo as well, hoping for a new commission. When they now call you for the new commission, you have to state everything. Then if the commissioner states that, yes, now you deserve to get a document, they will give you out either political asilo or that of the subsidiary protection. And then according to the new law which was being introduced, we state that those ones who have already been integrated in the country, they have the possibility to have the 2 years protezione speciale. So if it happens to be that you are working, you have a family, you have done one or two things, then you also have the possibility to get that protezione speciale in that process of making the Asilo Retirata. Now, after everything, for example, they did not give the person the document as well, the person have the possibility to go back again, to go and then make a recurso at tribunal. But first, I want you to understand something at this junction. Now, when they reject this person for the second time again for the Asilo Retirata, the Territorial Commission might decide to put on what is called inammissibilità. That inammissibilità means that now they reject you again, but at the same time, you cannot renew your permesso di soggiorno. That is when it comes that you have to give a lawyer a case, two cases at the same time. Because first, the lawyer has to appeal at the tribunal for you to remain regular in order to pull out that inammissibility so that you have the right to get the 6 months richiesta di asilo as well. Why did a lawyer still book your case at the tribunal in order for you to make another recurso again? Now, at this junction, if the judge agree and say, okay, fine, I read the recurso of this person, I agree that he have to remain regular until we decide on his case, then the judge will now print out A4 size paper stating that what they call suspensiva. Now, that suspensiva, the judge will not forward it to the lawyer. The lawyer will not give it to you. Then you take it to Questura and then you renew your permesso di soggiorno in time to why your case is still there at the tribunal. Now, when the tribunal reason and see that, okay, fine, you have made Asilo Retirata. Current law, according like this, the court of Brescia are supposed to bring this topic with Paola Binati di Remini, that lawyer you guys always see. The court of Brescia is not taking into consideration that those people who have already worked already, who made Asilo Retirata with this new law of the special protection, they have to be granted this permit of 2 years if they are not qualified for the political asilo and that of the subsidiary protection. So guys, this is what I want you to understand about Asilo Retirata. It is good you make that Asilo Retirata to restart the case, because now Some people also make the one of Cassazione. If you make Cassazione, in most cases, they might not give you out the permesso di soggiorno of richiesta di asilo. But in most cases, there are people that still give out this richiesta di asilo again. So that is what I want you guys to understand. Those of you who ask, what is the meaning of Asilo Retirata? This is what it's all about. It's for you to restart your case, and then they will review and see every reason to give you our documents. After every review, they will know what to do. So that is what you guys have to understand about what is called Asilo Retirata. If you don't understand anything in this story or in this explanation, you can keep your comment there at the comment section. Till next time again, we be together. If you have not followed this page, try to follow up. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube platform, Prince TV, you have to subscribe there and then still get more updates on how things goes. Till next time again, we be together. Ciao.